Hey guys, welcome back. I guess it should be you saying welcome back to me since it's been a hot minute since I've been on here. But that just means I've been pretty busy and that is a good thing. And I want to say thank you to all my YouTube people who have contacted me about real estate sales. Thank you so much. That means this thing is working and I'm happy to help you find the perfect home or sell your perfect home. In one of the shorts that I posted last week where I said that I was going to put a video out last Monday and I didn't do that, I'm very sorry. I also said that I was going to be doing GRM today. I decided not to. And the reason that I decided not to is because what I was trying to do was kill two birds with one stone and do $100,000 properties in this episode with GRM, but these aren't the best properties for investments. Now, that doesn't mean that they can't be used as investments. They can be. They aren't the best. And I want to find the best investment properties and create a video specifically on that with GRM, ROI, and cap rates. That video will be coming out right after this one. All right, so what we're talking about today is 100,000 US dollar properties. Sometimes I get buyers who contact me and they are looking in the 100,000 USD range and they want it to be in the center of town and they want a rental property attached to it. And I'm like, those are some high hopes, my friend. Just kidding, I don't say that. Although it's partly true. If you haven't been to Mexico lately, and if you haven't researched real estate in Mexico, the hot areas aren't as inexpensive as they used to be. If you're looking in the downtown Chapala area or downtown Ajijic Centro is what we call it, or even like the hot spots in Guadalajara, Puerto Vallarta, Tulum, Cancun, you're gonna be paying a higher ticket price for properties that are in the center of a hot town or city. So for me to go on the hunt for these $100,000 properties was not easy, but they do exist. So I don't want you to feel like hope is lost because they are here, they exist, and they're pretty cute. And whether you're staying in this area for 6 months as a snowbird or you're gonna be living here full time, these properties are actually pretty cool. They have community pools, they have good infrastructure. This first property is located in Jocotepec. I think the furniture inside of it is a little big for the space. You can size down on some furniture and it would be super cozy. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so the first property we're looking at is 136,000 US dollars. It's 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Your construction size is 90 square meters or 967 square feet. Your lot is 140 square meters or 1,507 square feet. It comes furnished and it's located in Jocotepec. Your HOA fees are about 1,500 pesos or 82 US dollars per month. Okay, one of the really cool things about this house is you walk onto your back patio and like 20 feet away is the pool in the clubhouse. As you can see, the bedrooms are a little bit small and cramped, but I am the master at cozying up tiny spaces, okay? There is space for everything, and it can be super functional and comfortable at the same time. Okay, I'm going to show you how far it is from Ajijic Centro and from Jocotepec. We are starting here, and let's say if we go to Ajijic Plaza, which is the center of Ajijic, you're looking at a 26-minute drive on a Friday at 6:45 p.m. If we were to change this to 5 p.m., essentially rush hour traffic, you are looking at a time frame of 26 to 35 minutes, so not that bad. And then if we change this to Joco, Centro. You are looking at about a 9-minute drive. This will be your city here. And one of the cool things about being in like the western part of Ajijic and this side of the lake is that you have a bypass here that takes you to Guadalajara. So if we come down, this bypass will take you into Guadalajara. Whereas here from Ajijic, you would have to bypass all this traffic to get to Guadalajara from Ajijic. But you've got a bypass right here. And we can type in here Guadalajara, 1 hour, 10 minutes to 2 hour, 10 minutes at 5:30 p.m. on a Friday. If we change this to, let's say, 12 a.m., it's a little under an hour. All right, on to the next property. All the same things kind of mostly apply as far as your location, your city that you'll be traveling to for emergencies, shopping, dining, things to do, which would be Jocotepec. Here we go. All right, ladies and gents, here we are at another economical home with a bunch of potential. So this one is listed for $94,800 US. It has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom. Your construction size is 120 square meters or 1,292 square feet. The lot is 90 square meters or 967 square feet. This comes with an optional furniture package, which means that you can opt in to buy the furniture that is already in the home. It's located in Jocotepec as well, and your HOA fees are 1,100 pesos or $60 US per month. And just like the last place, it's such a cool thing to walk onto your back patio and just be able to walk up into the pool. I think that's awesome. And there's so much grass area in this back space between the corridor of homes, which is really nice. And while I was there, it was so quiet and peaceful, and all you could hear were the birds and the bugs. And then you just walk right back into your house and voila. All right, let's go upstairs. In question is this one right here, and we are going to go to Joco because it's essentially in the same area as the last home. So you're looking at about an 11-minute drive at this time right now, which is about 7:55 p.m. This third house is located in Riberas, and it is in an HOA, and it is pretty cute. It has the front courtyard in case you have pets or your tenants have pets. All the bedrooms are located upstairs. I really like the dining room off the kitchen aspect of it. The house needs a little bit of work, but that's okay because the price is right and it's in a great location. You're kind of close to everything. You can get to Ajijic easily. You can get to Chapala easy. You can even get to Guadalajara easy in this location. And pretty much everything you need is right there in that immediate area in Riberas. You could either go to Ajijic or Chapala for even more of a good time, okay? Drink your face off. But before you do, let's check it out. Okay, here we are at house number 3. Mind you, none of these houses are in any specific order. We're just going with the flow. Okay, so this home is $126,300 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Your construction is 110 square meters or 1,184 square feet. The lot itself is 90 square meters or 967 square feet. It comes with an optional furniture package. Again, that just means that you have the option to buy whatever furniture is in the home. It is located in Riberas. Your HOA fees are 200 pesos or $11 US per month. All of the bedrooms are located upstairs, and I would say each one has a pretty decent natural light that comes into each one of them. And it needs a little bit of work, like some paint, and it probably needs some other things, but I think for someone to be able to move in, just paint job would be good, be sufficient, you know? Okay, and I'm not really sure what happened, but this is the only video I got of the balcony, even though the balcony has a great view. So I'm sorry that I didn't catch that, but just take my word for it, okay? We are in Riberas del Pilar. So I am going to show you Ajijic and also Chapala. So if we go to Ajijic Centro, you're looking at about a 17-minute drive, and this again is Sunday at about 8 p.m. Now, if we were to change this to Chapala Centro, you're looking at about a 13-minute drive. So you could either use Chapala or Ajijic as your main shopping, you know, just life town. But also Riberas has a lot of interesting things around, so you can do some things there, or you could head over to, you know, the larger area of Chapala or Ajijic. House number 4 is located in Ajijic. It's actually West Ajijic, which is fine. I love West Ajijic. It's nice. It's getting more and more developed. You can head on to the west to go to Joco, and there's a Pancho's grocery store, which is the best grocery store in town. They just opened their second location in West Ajijic. There's also the bypass to Guadalajara from Joco, so you can get to Guadalajara that way instead of having to go all the way through Ajijic. Unless you wanted to go through Ajijic, that's fine. But then you've got Ajijic to the east too, so that's great. Lots of things to do. It is essentially a studio apartment, so it's very small, but it has a lot of potential. And the common areas are beautiful. When you walk in, you have no idea what to expect. You don't even know that that's what you're walking into. I really love it. And if you were a single person living in Ajijic, this would be like the perfect little place for you. You know, it's like a little oasis. I love it. All right, enough yapping about it. Let's go check it out. Moving on to house number 4. This is the neighborhood. And I don't know if you caught those goats in the first clip, but they're your neighbors. So when you walk in, you have a space for one car and a little storage unit behind each parking spot or in front of each parking spot, depending on if you back in or you drive forward. And as you walk in, you're in the pool area. And so this has, I believe, about 6 units inside of it, including this one, which I didn't even realize was like probably where someone lived, but it was so cool that I had to get a video of it. So then as you walk along this path, you're going to the back 2 apartments, and then you'll walk up some stairs to get to the other 2. And the one in question in this tour is upstairs to the left, like a little studio apartment. Look at this, cute. Okay, so we're looking at a unit that is going for $119,000 US. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. Your construction is 54 square meters or 581 square feet. Essentially a studio, like I said. The lot is 136 square meters or 1,464 square feet. It's partially furnished, so some of the furniture will go with the sale of the home. It's located in West Ajijic, but not too far west, just at the edge of where I would say Ajijic kind of ends. Your HOA fees are 1,100 pesos or $60 US per month. Our final home on the map is located in West Ajijic. Let's go to Ajijic Centro. That's about a 15-minute drive. So this is about pretty much as far out as you get as far as the Ajijic goes and West Ajijic. Then your center is way over here. So about a 15-minute drive, but it's not bad. All right, guys, that's it for this $100,000 US tour. I hope that it helped you out. I hope that you gained some insight on what's available here in this area a little more. If you need a little more insight, I have more videos. If you want to check them out, you can go to my channel and click on videos, and they're all in there under real estate. As I said before, the next video that I'm going to put out is the video on investment properties. We're going to do your GRM, your ROI, your cap rates. We'll throw in some other things in there just to kind of show you what a good investment property in this area looks like. If you're thinking about selling your home or you would like to purchase a home in this area, feel free to email me at the address down below. Also, if you're visiting and you need a place to stay, we have a bed and breakfast. Its name is Estrellita's, and our cafe and roastery is located inside of it. The name of it is Gato Feo Cafe. Both businesses just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Coffee and Best B&B. So you're gonna wanna stay with us, okay? Those are linked below. Thanks for being here, guys. I'll see you soon.